Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off the surface completely and disconnecting everything. This prevents shorts and data loss. Once done, lay the device screen down on a soft cloth and remove the kickstand if your model allows. This exposes edges for prying. Make sure you have the correct Torx driver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools let you separate adhesives without cracking the screen. You'll work slowly to avoid tearing fragile cables under the bezel. Once edges are warmed to soften the adhesive, attach a suction cup and lift just enough to slide a plastic pick or spudger around the perimeter. Be deliberate. You're cutting adhesive, not prying hard. After freeing one side, open the display slightly and locate the ribbon cables. Carefully release their latches and unplug them so the display is free. Make sure you remember connector orientations. Taking a quick photo can save time during reassembly and prevent incorrect cable seating later. You now remove the battery bracket screws and gently unplug the battery connector. This isolates power for safety. Lift the old battery out, replace it with the new unit, and reconnect the cable. Then briefly power on the surface to verify charging and boot behavior before resealing. If everything works, power down and apply manufacturer-grade adhesive strips, align the display, and press firmly to bond. If the device won't power or show signs of life, check connect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.